What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to clear the maintenance required light from a 2022 Toyota Tacoma. Like I said, it's a 22 Tacoma in the video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So if your vehicle has the maintenance required light on, you'll see it when you start the vehicle. As you see there. So what we need to do is first press this button just to clear that screen. And then depending on what screen you're starting from, you'll need to scroll left or right until we get to this screen here, the one with the little gear. Once we're on this screen, we'll scroll down until we have settings highlighted. Then we'll press this circle button in right here. Then once we're on this screen, the settings screen, we're gonna scroll all the way down until we have maintenance reset highlighted. Then we'll press the circle button. And then once we're on this screen, scroll up to where you have yes highlighted, and then press the circle button. And then as you can see there, the reset is complete. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.